Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct 2X Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for your phone and the Garmin Connect application to send the notifications to your watch. So first, find the Garmin Connect application icon on your phone, and once you find it, press and hold on it and wait until this menu appears on the screen, then tap on App Info and here select Permissions. And right here make sure that certain permissions are allowed. You need to allow call logs, contacts. Basically you tap on the permission, tap on allow and go back. Phone is also recommended, and the SMS. And once you allow all of them, so SMS, phone, contacts, call log, calendar, and that's about it. You can close the settings, open the settings again on your phone, so this page, settings page, and in settings we need to find the notification access. To do it, you can tap right here, type in notification access and tap on search, and it should direct you to it. Tap on notification access and you should see this page. Notification access looks like this. You have a list of apps and you have allowed and not allowed. Find the Garmin Connect application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then go back. And the Garmin Connect application should appear on the allowed list. Once it does, close the settings, open the Garmin Connect application, tap on more, Garmin devices, select your Instinct 2X Solar. On this page, scroll down and tap on notifications and alerts, then smart notifications, and here we have general use, during activity, and signature. Tap on general use. Here you can turn on and off the notifications for the general use. So basically when you're not recording activity on your watch, and you can turn them on and off. You can tap on the different types of notifications and you can turn them on or off, and also enable and disable the tone and vibration for them. So customize this to your liking, then go back and do the same for the texts and the apps. You can also tap on privacy, and here you can select press GPS or wrist gesture. Basically, if you select, for example, press GPS, the watch won't display the content of the notification until you press the GPS button or perform wrist gesture if you select wrist gesture. And then we have timeout, so basically how long the notification stays on the screen. You can select one of them. Then we can go back, tap on during activity. This is when you're recording activity on your watch, something like, for example, running and cycling and stuff like that. You can turn on and off the notifications for it. Tap on specific notification, turn it on or off, and then you can also select the timeout. And once you're done, you can go back to the main page of the settings, forcing the watch with your phone. And once it's done, you can close the app and you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. If you miss the notification on your watch, you can always press the up or down button on the main screen to open the glances. You can scroll through the glances, find the notification glance, and then press on the GPS button to open it. And here we have our notification. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.